Now you can see here, this you will do. Already I told you, comparing very large and very small numbers, how you can compare. Suppose that the diameter is, so give one, not only suppose. The diameter of the sun is this and diameter of the earth is this. Suppose you want to compare the diameter of the earth with the diameter of the sun. So diameter of the sun is this and diameter of the earth is this. So what we will do, we will divide this value by this. So 1.4 10 to the power 9 and 1.2756, now 10 to the power 7. Now you can see same bases are there and exponents are different. So x to the power m upon x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. So 9 minus 7, so 100. When you will write here 1.4 and it is 1.2. So suppose that if we will assume that it is 1 and it is 1, so we can cancel. Approximately we are talking about the, so 100, answer will be 100. So diameter of the sun is 100 times then the diameter of the earth. Okay, so the diameter of the sun is about 100 times of the diameter of the earth. Let us compare the size of red blood cell, which is this, and planet cell, that of a planet cell, which is this. So size of red blood cell change into exponent standard form. So decimal move right hand side. So we will write the answer in the negative form. Okay, because multiplication 10 to the power, numerators exponents we will use. So 7.0 you can write, or 7 10 to the power minus 6. And size of planet cell decimal 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 to the power minus 5, 1.275. Now we are comparing this. So 7 upon 10 to the power minus 6 is 1.2. So we can assume 7 upon 1. So 7 is there and exponents in the denominator and same basis. So minus 6 plus minus, minus 6 minus minus 5. So minus minus plus to 10 to the power minus 1, and 10 to the power minus 1, that means in the division we will write 10. Okay, so we will write, when you will divide 7 by 10, so 0.7 will be the answer. So 0.7, and we can assume that after decimal, after 2, this is the greater than 5. So we can assume as a 1. So 2 and 1, 3. So 0.7 is divided by 1.3. That means we can assume this decimal cancel by this, and 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 13 we are assuming is approximately. Approximately, that means near to, not exactly. So half. So the red blood cell is half of planet cell size. Now see here, mass of the earth 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and mass of the moon is this. What is the total mass? Now you can see here, for aiding, what we will do in the same exponent form, we will change this, because it's not possible we will change this, because there are more zeros in the, so 100 10 to the power 2 we will take. So multiply by 100, 5.97 multiply by 100. So 597 will be there, and here will be 10 to the power 22 plus 7.35, 10 to the power 22. So 10 to the power 22 from here and 10 to the power 22 from here we can take common. So next step will be inside the bracket 597 plus 7.35. When you will add, you will get this answer. So the total mass will be this. Okay, when we add when we have to add numbers in standard form, we convert them into numbers with the same exponents. You can see here already I have changed from here in the same exponent. Now turn the page. Now see this distance between sun and earth, and distance between earth and moon, and distance between sun and moon. You can subtract this same way. Now examples you will do yourself. Again we need to convert numbers in the standard form into the numbers with the same exponents, and now we will start 12.2. okay.